Hey everybody, Kevin here with another Note Investor tip of the day. Boy, I looked at a bunch of deals over the last couple of days, and I'll tell you what, overall theme is I am seeing a bunch of these short-term bridge loans, short-term construction loans, not quite going bad, but you can read between the lines of saying they're not going well. So be careful if you're a real estate lender out there lending to flippers right now. That market is getting tougher and tougher. And when people start to reevaluate how much it's costing to renovate these properties, a lot of them are saying, we're just not going to pay the loan and give it back to the lender. And then the lenders find out, well, crap, I don't want to put a bunch more money in it either. So we're starting to see those things being sold. These were all performing, but look, when you've got a short-term 2-year loan that's supposed to balloon in 3 months and you're selling it now, that's an indicator, right? That's where we're going like, oh, you know it's not going to pay off in 3 months. You're fully aware of that. And we have to look at it from that approach. Otherwise, why would you sell? You'd hang out for another 3 months and be paid off in full, but you're selling it now. I've seen those. I've seen, oh gosh, a couple other ones where people were borrowing against a short-term bridge loan. Not another not so good sign. So the cracks are there, but you got to be very careful buying those loans, and they take a lot more due diligence. And of course, a lot of those lenders like to move quickly. Well, that's their problem, not yours. So when you do have short-term loans like that were seller financing, creative financing, those type of loans, you really have to take the time to scrutinize those things and just think about, all the risks that you have. What if you have to take the property back? What if you have to go through foreclosures? Are your ratios working right? And you don't want to be put in a situation where you're being pushed to close before your due diligence is all done. So there's your Note Investor tip of the day.